Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, as we have read our poem, The Rain, I hope you must have enjoyed with this chapter. We have done question answer of this chapter and activity from this chapter. Today, we will do worksheet of this chapter. So, I have prepared a worksheet from this chapter which you have to do in your notebook. So, let's see. Question number first. Complete this stanza. Have you read this poem? Have you read this poem? And I hope you have remembered this poem. So, if you have remembered this poem, then you can complete this stanza. So, in stanza, Peter Patter, P-I-T-T-E-R, Peter, P-A-T-T-E-R, Peter Patter. So, what was in the poem? Peter Patter. What makes sounds Peter Patter? Yes, it raindrops. Peter Patter, raindrops. Yes, Peter Patter, raindrops falling from the, where from it's fall on the ground? Where from it fall on the ground? From the sky. Falling from the sky. S-K-Y, sky. Peter Patter, raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my what? Have you remembered? In this poem there was a boy and who used umbrella to save him from rain. To save himself from rain. Okay. So here is my umbrella. Here is my umbrella to keep me what? To keep me safe and dry. Safe and dry. Once again, Peter Patter, raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. So that was first stanza which we have completed. Now next, in question number 2, what you have to do? Write their rhyming words. You know about rhyming words which makes similar sound, that are called rhyming words, which makes similar sound, that are called rhyming words. So here we have to write down their rhyming words, which words is given here. So D-R-Y. What will be the rhyming words of D-R-Y? We can write try, T-R-Y. Dry, try. It sounds similar. So this is rhyming words. Dry, try. Glow, G-L-O-W. Glow. So what will be the rhyming words of glow? It's blow. B-L-O-W, blow. Blow, blow. It also makes similar sound. Now sun. It's bun. Sun and bun. Sun, bun. B-U-D, bud. Bud, mud. M-U-D. That was so easy. Dry, try. Glow, blow. Sun, bun. Bud, mud. Now, question number 3. So what we have to do in question number 3? So in question number 3, write their sound. Here is given some words and which we have read in our poem also, some different sounds. So here is given some words and you have to write down their sound. What sound make by them? What sounds make by them? ओके, सो इनके द्वारा क्या साउंड्स आते हैं वो आपको लिखने हैं. नाउ रेन. व्हाट साउंड्स मेक रेन? व्हाट साउंड मेक रेन? हैव यू रिमेंबर्ड? यस, इन दिस पोएम also it's came. In this poem it also came. So rain, Peter patter. Rain makes Peter patter sound. Peter patter. Okay, Peter patter. Now wind. Wind makes whoosh whoosh, whoosh whoosh. Wind make whoosh whoosh, whoosh whoosh sound. Whoosh whoosh. Bell. Bell, when you ring the bell, then what sound it makes? Yes, ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong. Now it's train. So what sound makes train? So what sound makes train? Yes, you know everyone. It makes chuk chuk sound. Chuk chuk sound. Chuk chuk sound. Have you listened? When train runs, chuk 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 chuk, that makes sound. So train makes chuk chuk sound. Now next is, yes, in question number 4, that is very interesting. What things you use to keep yourself safe and dry from rain? Once again, what things you use to keep yourself safe and dry from rain? Draw and color them. रेन से अपने आप को सेफ और ड्राई रखने के लिए हम कौन सी थिंग्स यूज़ करते हैं? फर्स्ट कम्स इन आवर माइंड अम्ब्रेला. So first things comes in our mind, umbrella, and the second one is raincoat also. So you have to draw umbrella and raincoat and then you have to fill color also. That was your worksheet. I hope you must have understood. That worksheet you have to do in your notebook. Goodbye. Have a nice day.